In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy stocks during extended hours on Robinhood. If you've ever wanted to take advantage of trading before the traditional market opens or after it closes, this guide will walk you through the process step by step so you can confidently place your orders at the right times. First, let's get started by opening the Robinhood app or logging in on the website. Make sure you're signed into your account so you can access all of the features needed to make your trade. If you haven't already downloaded the app, you can find it in your device's app store, or simply go to Robinhood's official website. Logging in will bring you to your portfolio Ballet dashboard, where you can begin your search for the stock you want to buy. Next, it's time to look up the specific stock you're interested in. On both the app and website, there's a search bar at the top of the main screen. Type in the name or ticker symbol of the company you'd like to invest in. Once you see it in the search results, tap or click on the stock to open its information page. Here, you'll find important details about the stock, including its current price, performance charts, and recent activity. Now that you've opened the stock's detail screen, search for the Trade button. On the Robinhood platform, this is usually easy to spot. Go ahead and tap or click on Trade, then select Buy for Y from the options presented. This will take you to the purchase screen where you'll prepare your order. At this point, you'll need to choose how many shares you want to purchase. There's a field where you can enter the number that's right for you. Take a moment to double check your input and consider what fits your investment strategy and budget. Here comes a very important part of the process. When you're ready to place your order, you'll notice an option related to trading during extended hours, which includes pre-market and after-hours trading sessions. If you want your order to be eligible for these times outside of traditional trading hours, simply make sure to toggle or select this option. On some screens, this may appear as a switch or a checkbox. Just confirm the box for extended hours is marked before you continue. The final step is to review your order details. Make sure everything is accurate, including the stock, number of shares, and trading time. Once you've confirmed all the information and are satisfied with your choices, tap or click on the Buy button to officially place your order. And that's all there is to it. You've now placed an order to buy stocks during extended hours using Robinhood. This feature gives you more flexibility and the opportunity to react to news or events that happen outside regular market times. Always remember to review the risks and advantages of trading after hours, as prices can be more volatile and liquidity may be lower. Thanks for watching and happy investing.